This Mother's Day, give the gift of love, luxury, and quality without breaking the bank. Stay tuned as I unbox these adorable pieces that you can give to your loved ones too. The pendant, chain, and the clasps are made of S925 sterling silver. These meticulously chosen materials not only ensure a stunning aesthetic, but also boast hypoallergenic properties and resistant to oxidation. The heart necklace is a nice gift choice to mom on Mother's Day, birthday, Thanksgiving, wedding anniversary, and even Christmas. Our mothers care for us from when we were young. Now, this love heart necklace is a blessing of your love to her. The timeless heart-shaped design symbolizes endless love for mom. The heart birthstone necklace is a nice gift for her. Mom has selflessly dedicated so much to us, and when she wears this necklace, it will serve as a reminder that we are there for her as well. The pendant is adorned with AAAA grade cubic zirconia, providing exceptional sparkle and brilliance. Birdstone's woman necklace can not only be used as gifts, necklaces for women, but also as a small surprises and rewards in daily life. I mean, they fit perfectly with any outfit. They provide exquisite packaging and great customer service. Their heart pendant necklace and bracelet comes in an elegant gift box ready to give as a Mother's Day gift for mom. If you have any questions or concerns about their product, please feel free to contact them. Your happiness is their top priority at all times. The bracelet is 6.7 inches with a 1.2-inch extension, making it the perfect length for any woman or teenage girl. It's a must-have addition to any dainty jewelry collection. Wishing you a blessed and joyous Mother's Day season. Give the gift of love this Mother's Day. I love how elegant the pieces are. They are super adorable. The box and the packaging is just top tier, and you cannot beat those or compare. They provide a luxury feeling. The packaging is not only beautiful but is soft to the touch. It makes the perfect decorative pieces on your dresser. It elevates your decor also, and it elevates your skin. I love how beautiful they are, and you have a variety of different stones to choose from for as the bracelet to fit your birthstone. Absolutely love them. Really gorgeous piece, and your mother will appreciate any of these two pieces. Though I just feel a feeling of luxury, calmness, and beauty when wearing these, and they feel so good on my skin. I also love the fact that they come with care instructions. You also get a gift card that you can write a cute little note on, so show your love with one of these beautiful pieces this Mother's Day. I've included two separate discount codes for each item. Link in the description box to the product and the discount code. You can go ahead and check them out and be sure to give the gift of love this Mother's Day.